Good evening. Today is Tuesday, November 7, 2023, and here are the 7 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SLs were 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Here are the SLs were 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Thank you for watching the 7 p.m. video for November 7, 2023, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.